Hello friends! In this video, full detail of face massage, tips and techniques. Facial massage benefits. 1. Increase circulation. A face massage can improve circulation, reduce puffiness, and promote relaxation. 2. Wrinkles. Relaxed facial muscles prevent forming of new wrinkles, and regular face massage improves skin elasticity and tone, giving the skin a more youthful appearance. 3. Acne. Facial massage with the right kind of oils and creams help work your skin up. This helps reducing acne significantly. 4. Anti-aging. Facial massage helps you with slowing down your skin's aging. It keeps your skin firm and supple. 5. Improved skin texture. Facial massage can help improve the texture of the skin by promoting cell turnover and exfoliation. It can aid in removing dead skin. 6. Glowing skin. Facial massage is a technique that has been used for centuries to promote glowing skin. When done correctly, it can help improve blood circulation. 7. Reduces stress. A facial massage is one way to reduce stress and leaves your skin feeling refreshed. 8. Collagen production. Face massage healing, repair, and rejuvenation. Tones the muscles and lifting the skin. Stimulates collagen production, tighten the skin. 9. Facial rejuvenation. Facial massages are not only relaxing, but they may have health benefits, too. They can be good for skin rejuvenation and blood flow. 10. Removes toxins. Facials are immensely helpful with that. Helps flush out toxins. Facial massage helps move the lymphatic fluid and clear out your skin. Facial oils for oily skin. If you have oily skin, look for an oil that is light in texture, like 1. Grapeseed oil. 2. Hazelnut oil. 3. Tea tree oil. These oils will help to regulate sebum production and reduce appearance of pores. Acne-prone skin. Non-comedogenic face oil are those that do not clog pores and are suitable for acne-prone skin. Jojoba oil. 2. Grapeseed oil. 3. Rosehip oil. 4. Argan oil. If you have dry skin, use these oils. 1. Jojoba oil. 2. Argan oil. 3. Coconut oil. 4. Avocado oil. Massage oils for anti-aging. 1. Rosehip oil. 2. Argan oil. 3. Coconut oil. Massage oils for combination skin. If you have combination skin, look for an oil that is balanced of light and heavy oils, like jojoba oil, avocado oil, and those oils will help to moisturize dry area while controlling excess oil production in the T-zone. Jojoba oil benefits for skin. 1. Has a high vitamin E content. 2. Excellent skin, softer. 3. Smooth dry skin. 4. Prevent flakiness. 5. Improve skin elasticity. Coconut oil benefits. 1. Reducing stress. 2. Dry skin is highly moisturizing. 3. Can help to treat acne. 4. Can support healing. 5. Can help to reduce inflammation. 6. Contributes to a more even skin tone. Rosehip oil benefits. 1. Brighten your skin. 2. Prevent blackheads. 3. Reduce inflammation. Argan oil benefits. It may help treat dry skin, minor burns, and inflammation. Manage dermatitis and signs of aging. Grapeseed oil benefits. Anti-inflammatory properties help reduce acne and other skin inflammation such as dry skin, eczema, which helps to strengthen the skin's barrier, reducing redness. Avocado oil benefits. It works as a wonderful antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory. Skincare ingredient, and also increase collagen production. Vaseline best for dry skin. Vaseline is safe and even recommended for use on dry skin. Because of its occlusive properties, Vaseline can help soothe skin that's chafed and dry. It's especially handy for the thin skin. On your eyelids, Vaseline is safe to use in the area around your eyes. Face massage tips. Use any moisturizer doing 2 to 3 minutes. Face massage on daily basis before makeup. And proper face massage 5 to 10 minutes weekly. Different face massage gadgets you can use for massage. Stone Jade Roller. Gua Sha. Ice Roller. See you in next video.